to Cotino, a story living by Disney community here in sunny Rancho Mirage. I'm David, broker at Armenta Realty, and if you want to go see any of these gorgeous model homes that are available, book a private showing with me. I have private broker exclusive access to showcase these homes to the public. So please get in touch with me, book a showing, and let's make your dream come true.
All right, welcome in. We're first greeted by a home theater here at the sales center, and it gives you an overview of the community. Behind this magical curtain, you'll see a model of the resort and all its wonderfulness. There's Cotino Bay Beach, there's a town center, walking promenade, and plenty of community parks around the resort. Four Winds Park, a park that captures a sense of energy, fun, and whimsy from the iconic Tower of the Four Winds. The beach is actually vinyl, so there's no sand. The sandy areas are the cabana areas. And even within the resort, there's a power house. Yes, it's inspired by The Incredibles, the movie from Disney. Anyways, so now we're going to check out one of the villa collections. This is Home Site 140, the HUE home design, another home by Shea Homes. And there's actually another home design called the Patina, and that one's actually rather large. So it's all about spacing and design and how you lay everything out. But this home is gorgeous nonetheless. It's 1,990 approximate square feet, 3 bedrooms, 3 full bathrooms. It is rather large. It is a juggernaut. So just because the square footage is small, remember, it's all about the layout. All right, so let's check out one of the bedrooms. Yes, this is to the right of the entrance, and we're swinging on over. There's the living room, plenty of glass, lots of texture, tones, color, natural feel. Man, they left no leaf unturned. They designed the heck out of these homes. Oh my goodness, is this a second bedroom? Yes, it is. And does it come with a dreamy double bunk? Yes, it does. The answer to that question is yes. All right, now it's time for the primary. Oh, look at that. Okay, we got some wood on the ceilings. Okay, got some abstract art. Some lampshades. There's the wood again. Textured tile, glass, plenty of glass. It's like a museum in here. And oh my goodness, look at that closet. Yes. Tell me more.
Just a quick reminder, if you want to see any of these beautiful model homes, reach out to me by private appointment only. Let's get something scheduled so you can see these gorgeous model homes here at Cotino and Rancho Mirage. Again, I'm David with Armenta Realty. Call me and let's book a private showing.
All right, now moving on to the Artisan Club. They call it the Artisan Club because there's artist things going on here. This is a welcome center. You're greeted by a concierge. This is all beautiful too. There's coffee, water, and a welcome party for your party of up to 5, I believe, if next of kin. There's other memberships too where you can bring anybody. There's a little museum piece, a little history of the community, the area, the living desert. Yes, and some archive stuff. That's the restaurant. That's the Pitched Forks, a private restaurant only for members. And there's plenty of views. That's the Par House. Gorgeous. And that's real grass, yes. That's hard to come by nowadays. Plenty of that in the desert. There's a gym. It comes with private trainers. Yes, on demand. You can schedule nutritionists. You can get fit. That's a yoga studio, everything studio, arts and crafts studio, where you can bring the family, do arts and crafts stuff. Totally amazing. Instructor led, phenomenal, great, lots of fun. This is the game room where you can play games. Look at the round tables. It's a given. Tennis courts, but I think these are tennis courts. And there's also pickleball courts all around the community. And here's the docking bay for your private non-motorized vehicles. You have paddle boards, all that kind of fun stuff. It's great. It's phenomenal. That was a lap pool.
All right, what a beautiful home that was. I hope you enjoyed. That concludes this particular model home showing. If you want to go see any of these beautiful model homes, just give me a call by a private appointment only. Again, I'm David with Armenta Realty here in Rancho Mirage, and I'm excited to show you what's next. Take care, guys.